Abu Dhabi Liverpool ni abrese omo pese omo make sure so omo midfield no be refurbishing and also men for. Na from the onset ne hu so mo di kan kwa sign player fan Alexis McAllister Edinaba BPM. Now they need someone who is very energetic. Nipa with me and making sure so be provided a level of physical appearance in the midfield for a year or more. Now Kefran Turam D and Ebem in terms of personal terms Abu Dhabi there is no problem between Liverpool and Kefran Turam. Obe sign 5 years plus additional 1. And you are looking at such a young player, Obe must spend a lot of years with Liverpool. The biggest issue was how Liverpool be finding an agreement with Nice. Said the a branty ebetimi atna. Then on Nice for Ama Liverpool ati ase ehunu say branty na nkasa dey say be an adwen one ni dwumadi a wodi no. Omunya aboche no mo Euro Championship under 21 ni wie. Omugbo wie a no mo ba Liverpool betimi the bid but Liverpool plan the one trim na na say omubedi kind of 40 million euros. Anaba so mo pa brand fene Kefran Turam. Nice is looking for so many more than 40 million euros, which means add-ons ba be dey e ba be kan a raising akobe 50 to 55. But Liverpool firstly is going to bid 40 million euros, hoping say bit ma convince Nice amomo timeja brand we amanaba be si akan e dey amomo next season. Then quickly Kai Havertz so features but ansana Kai Havertz be kono Chelsea anka set timeja Hakim Ziyech kwan okọ ana say
yes
Omaja Khalidou Koulibaly kan ono so eko Hilal ana Edward Mendy omaja ne kwan nei ono so ekwa kopiem Al Ali, not Al Ali Egypt but Al Ali Saudi baby ana coach for the Piston Mosmani won at some qualify PM into the Saudi Professional League, you know. It's 3 players now within the first few hours early this morning, no. Omutimi confirm me some me and send na Chelsea atimi ejo mo kwa mo already Enra Numeni who say Ngolo Conte a join Al Ittihad officially a okwakosi akande amomo Bernardo pay news aye gada ni ye say abrante fene Kai Havertz Arsenal any eye team a ye fene Chelsea agree on 65 million pounds. Arsenal and Chelsea agree on 65 million pounds for Kai Havertz. 55 bear up front and one 55 plus 5 and one bid the komuno na 55 plus 5, which means 55 up front, then 5 add-ons. But this time around, no, team friend Arsenal increasing the upfront fee to 60, then add-ons no about 5. I feel no more discussing the structure of the deal. Any crown be faswa, on bet me make sure so bet me chest can I day. And you feel what are some be installment? And on bet chemu mi and son on bet chemu 9. And I said you bet the boom no, and no anasisia told bolly, any egg barley. Any edumwatnasia or mudi unkomo so bet ma finalize the structure. Abrante nanka said the wadia tum so besi akande am Arsenal. 210,000 pounds a week for Kai Havertz. 210,000 pounds a week. And no Abegino Arsenal. Kai Havertz babeji 210,000 pounds a week. Or be sign 5 years in the Diama team friend Arsenal. Na we see akande am mobile one and your man. After international break, you know, mobile friendly match, you know, or prepare no, so I be PMU, a way Arsenal, nice a medical, no, while I be an animal. Then or the Babe Council team. Abu or the animal be bring a Babe count. Also, on a stagnant player like Obo position like number 10, Obo number 9, we inquire on the number 11 and Kwano Timibo, Debbie. Can have it one particular player, the 4 positions across the front line. Abu Dhabi, Obetimia Bobebia. And obetimi so asaswa drop it about the ball as a half number 8, half number 10. And the mass na what you do we say in terms of squad depth, obetima a backup, Ediama either the Nketia and Ase Gabriel Jesus. Obetima a proper backup, Ediama Martin Odegaard. The reason why when you promo pen personally na kasa yes you mu di nkomo hwemu, etina se analyze situations na Abu Dhabi. We ankasa no mu ni say ne isu amo no mana na amfa amo mo a, obetimi abo as the half left midfielder. Half number 10, Eddie Amon be position and Granit Xhaka ebono. Obetima be replace Granit Xhaka in that particular role. But the most important aspect in here, the right half space, you know, for Martin Odegaard. Abu Madi can explain it time and time again. Say Arteta a more than the team no in the shape. Said here Manchester City here with Kevin De Bruyne. I don't know about the right half space. But the difference between Kevin De Bruyne and Martin Odegaard, so Martin Odegaard left. It was just one be our right half space now. Just so Piamba to left in this one and YBB, which takes time and the defenders are so too smarter. They can read your movement, they can read how you are going to cross the ball in BBA. No mark left floor. But the Kevin De Bruyne no bar. Unim so be shoot you because about left or right. Unim so be crosser. You don't even know the kind of choice over there. So bringing in Kai Havertz no message so using in that particular role when Odegaard is not there. in the right half space to get Odegaard probably to move here for the left half space. No number in front three in front of Declan Rice or Mutimi Turner. Havertz will be operating from right, Odegaard will be operating from left. Didn't you be operating from right, Nabu? A specific example, Bakuni, where Chelsea ni Borussia Dortmund have done about 3-back system. Look at where Havertz is operating in the right half spaces. So you look at Reece James on the Bellenke Apostle. It's not when you are brought up Timbano. So they need a right back. They need to make sure their right hand side is sorted. Because left hand side they already sorted. Left hand side, no, oh, the likes of Martinelli, Odegaard, not Shaka or they were solid over Enzinchenko. But Hano Omu here right back, Bukayo Saka is already there. If you have another midfielder, bet me, I occupy the right half spaces, you know. So Walabwa, Abu Dhabi can have it fit in that particular profile. Obo left, Obo right. It's the Arsenal using the force nine. They want to use him as their Kevin De Bruyne in games that we are tough. Then Odegaard on the other hand side, no need to creative. It's what you may say the Pabako and I'll create the Abba. But not the Padona and creative. But Chelsea, and making sure some major players now don't know because one. Chelsea will need to raise money. Said they will make my balance on my books. Already they've spent 600 million on 20 signings.
20 signings.
20 signings.
Our boys have there 20 signings in a jet that will be a boy, Papa.
That is it. And baby issue. So they need to raise a lot of money. And a coach is not mobile in a thorough assessment of the way our players in this situation, this city or Chelsea, even the dressing room. Our players in the background Abu Dhabi. Omunya baby grant now no dress it. It was one thing I got important kind someone to squad so. And Chelsea wants to sell a lot of players out of the team. FFP2 to release, make sure say wage books no. Moja akesi ni na do na betima eden. E betima free mark. Say the be betima say raise this car and they akwa sign the players there ba. Someone raise this car signings won be eden ga. Won't me talk I said for 70 million pounds without even raising. But it's how Tonka have a 65 now. What the 5 source or room na akwa. And in the books no normally o sign player na 65 Abu Dhabi. It is even known like what on play and about 100 million due to the years now we are team need betua. The amount of money you get, and the balancing books, for the next 5 years. And this is what Chelsea is doing so perfect, and then they almost major players now. So be expectant that we can be removed next week. Chelsea be very active in the transfer market. Play be our Chelsea targets, especially with the midfielders. They are coming for you, and they are coming in full force with Obisika, Somba Befau, and I believe say Todbolimo, they are doing the right things to make sure say Chelsea beat him for Mutuma Padefra. Chairman there, Saudi Arabia for the Bromba Befana Denako in the shape of Thomas Partey. Every say baby akwa kudu no Arsenal man ya wo say team na nkasa de otenai me say ne bono onya bi mbo say the official pe until the agency no any other teams didn't come up. Declan Rice Abu Dhabi enra na Arsenal this second bid koi
hwe no ma me na fasi
Arsenal this second bid ne koi the tie first bid no na ye 60 million pounds upfront plus 15 million add-ons ye tie ni na 60 million pounds na Arsenal de koi na Abu Dhabi mo ka che West Ham so metwa 60 million no in 4 installments. By the add-ons never count 15 now Abu Dhabi. Some 15 add-ons never count. I'm spending the additional 1 year account. 5 years from we between 75 million euros in the amount and a pound no. And the amount a West Ham. And a West Ham for about to train baby some Franco. And I almost had for 70 plus 15. 70 is the same structure. So 4 years no money between. Now 15 never count by 5 years. No more spreading in na. And a West Ham mama what say structure now more by 4 years 50 years in the M-Pesa annual man. Yepa affront scanning kutamu amufe scanning yede and to obam for 4 years ni dey bu wado do we ka mo beka 2 years kra na say oh we dey at 2 years ye be hene ya sorti bibia ma mo but Arsenal entimi anye sade no amasisi and West Ham dey to be West Ham value Declan Rice 120 million pounds but yes 120 million pounds na no more pay but they don't want to sell him below 100 million pounds 120 na I say e ko counter akwa kodivia abu meto no 120 oh chairman so Mateo so 10 oh chairman so Mateo so 10 oh ye na mema 10 cedis na Abu Dhabi ho na ye nyina ya tena se ne akasi mi iskaba now so iskaba ti baby a Arsenal and Declan Rice ejina no and baby a West Ham so jina no Arsenal wants to pay less than 100 million pounds but West Ham say there be mo fa bi nkan bra and Arsenal asa akomachi bim omo kwa boabo mo no maba no mo discuss for asa bra o
Mera se Michael Akomia dispose Messiah no na